Hey guys, so I'm back with another video today. I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get started. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. So this is actually my first time back to Dollar Tree since it is no longer $1. So I was looking for new bedazzling items. Items that can help me and you bedazzle better. So I did find this knife set that I love to use, these type of tools, to mix up the epoxy and place it onto the items. I found this vinyl paper that is permanent and glitter. I don't know if it's any good. My Cricut machine is not working right now. If not, I would have bought it and tested it out for you guys. So I don't know. You guys should try it out. And then I also found this liquid adhesive for your rhinestones. We have to try it out too one day. Mud Podge, I know is a must for a lot of people that love to glitter stuff. And then tacky glue, I found fine glitter, which is amazing when you want to mix it up with your epoxy. I love using fine glitter. They didn't have much colors, but they did have pink, which is a must for me because that is my favorite color. And then I found all these markers, and my favorite too, which are metallic colors. They had gold, they had silver. They had all these type of colors which you can use instead of using vinyl to draw on your items. They have daughter tools. They also, oh my god, you guys, if you guys are Cricut machine lovers, look at this. The tools you use every single day at Dollar Tree. The only difference is it doesn't have the Cricut logo. But I mean, it's the same thing. More fine glitter. And also I found these containers for your epoxy or your glue or whatever you want to put in them. You know, I wish they had smaller ones, but these work good for epoxy, I would say. And they also have a huge selection of containers, plastic containers, glass containers, small ones, big ones. These are a must to keep your rhinestones organized, and you know, you can see right through them, know what color it is, you know, for your glitter. And these, oh my god, as soon as I saw these, I was like, I'm getting all the ones they have. They only had like 4, but still I grabbed them all. These bigger organizers to keep your, you know, your rhinestones in too, if you have a lot of them. I thought these were super cute. And then also I found these containers that even have a handle on them, so you can like hold it, you know, to keep your pencils in, your pickup tools, you know, stuff like that, your brushes, whatever it is you want. Some popsicle sticks to, you know, place your epoxy into items. This cute desk organizer to make sure, you know, if you wanted to put stuff on the table but you don't want it sliding off the table, keep that there. A storage container to put your smaller containers in. And Dollar Tree, if you know, is full of stuff to keep your stuff organized. I mean, they have all these type of colors, different size containers. If you want to keep your stuff organized, just go to Dollar Tree and get some stuff. Or $1.25 because it's not $1 anymore. And it does add up quick, so look at what you're buying. And then I did find this glue, some epoxy glue. I have never tried it before, but I do want to try it one day and see if it's any good. I mean, it's epoxy. It should be some type of, you know, good. And your regular super glue, a random hanger, and some more super glue. I did find these cups that you can like put pictures in. So I know a lot of people like to, you know, decorate their cups and stuff. This would be super cute and easy to use. And I know a lot of you guys like to bling out your glass cups, your wine glasses. Look at these, they're really big and pretty. You like to put some glitter on them, you know. And then look at these, they already come with vinyl now. I mean, all you have to do is put the rhinestones on them and they look super cute. Hello gorgeous, you know. They have so many cute cups ready to go. All you have to do is put the rhinestones. No more doing vinyl. Just ready to go. They have some mugs. I mean, they have so many stuff that you can bling out here, you know, and make a quick buck. More wine glasses. They're super big and pretty. And shot glasses, obviously. And then, so yeah, they have so many types of cups to choose from. I mean, I haven't been here in a long time, but damn. They have signs. I don't know what happened to this sign, but you could bling those out and they'll come out so pretty. Frames, if you guys like to bling out frames, look at this sign. It says joy. Imagine the joy blinged out in Christmas colors, ready for Christmas. I mean, I see an item and I already picture what I want to do with it in my head. So, I mean, there's so many ideas you can make from Dollar Tree. So, yeah. So, this is an organizer real quick that I got. And I'm going to show you guys what I did with it. So, I told you guys I grabbed all the ones they had, which was like 4 of them. And this is what I did. So, I actually put the size in the bottom. You can put it in the top or in the bottom. I just like to do it in the bottom. So I can see what color rhinestone it is. So this is what I did. So I got a sticky note. I cut them into little pieces with some scissors. And then I would put the number, which is the size of the rhinestone. And then tape it to the back of the container. Like I said, you can do it in the front. I just like to be able to see what color it is, you know. And I already kind of know what sizes they are without looking at the number. So that's why I put it in the bottom. And then I did buy some tape because I was out of tape. And let me tell you, this tape is strong. It took me a while to rip off the first piece. And then, so yeah, that's what I did. I have these rhinestone sizes that I need to place into the container nicely and organized. So I'm moving down by sizes. So now I put the 12, put some tape on it, and taped it to the back. And then all you have to do is fill in the container with that color rhinestone. So I really like these. As soon as I saw them, I was like, wow, this is amazing. You don't see the rhinestones falling out. You know, sometimes when you buy containers, the rhinestones are so small that they slip through the container and then it's just a whole lot of mess. So these, I moved them around. No rhinestones would be coming out. So I love that about these containers. And then you can keep the rhinestones, you know, the color separate per container. You don't have to have them all mixed up. So I really love these. And when I go back to Dollar Tree, which I'm going to try to do more often, you know, so I can save some money. Because, I mean, prices are going up everywhere for everything. So I will be getting more of these. I really like them. And I highly recommend them. So yeah, I just went around, filled up the rest of the container, labeled it, and it was ready to use. Super cute and super cheap way to keep your rhinestones color coded and organized. I will buy more whenever I get the chance to go to Dollar Tree again. Let me know if you guys like this type of video so I can do more hauls and show you guys more stuff that you can buy and where to buy it. So I labeled it in the back. You can do it in the front if you want, but I like to leave it like that so I can see the color. This is how it looked when I bought it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and let me know if you like it and see you guys in the next video.